Let's go make an odorless tallow oil together. In the old days, when they made tallow oil, they would first sharpen the knife like this because it would get dull. We cut the tallow like this because it needs to be chopped finely, so that all the oil comes out completely. Smaller pieces. We chop all of them like this. The finer the better, as it melts faster. At this stage, when the tallow has completely melted, and you see there's still more oil to be extracted, we add onion, bay leaves, and a few white peppercorns. We don't add the onion from the beginning. These ingredients remove the tallow smell. And here is the tallow oil. This is excellent tallow oil. We pour it. Once it cools a bit, we pour it into a jar and place it in the refrigerator. It lasts for a whole year. It doesn't mold at all.